Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting a reliable signal. Enable location and high accuracy mode so the device uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell towers. Open your GPS app and grant permissions immediately, because without access, the app can't read coordinates. Once the app shows a blue dot or crosshair, hold still for 10-30 seconds to get a stable fix. Make sure you're outdoors or near a window. Satellites need a clear view, so metal or concrete can block the signal and delay accuracy. Now you capture the coordinates. Change the display to decimal degrees or degrees/minutes/seconds, whichever your use case requires, because format matters for input later. Tap the location marker or use the app's info panel to reveal latitude and longitude. Note hemisphere signs, negative for west/south. Once visible, copy to clipboard, take a screenshot, or use the share button to send coordinates. Make sure to confirm precision. More decimal places equals finer accuracy, so your target is exactly repeatable. Finish by verifying the reading. Compare with a second device or a different app to confirm consistency, because one bad fix can mislead you. If coordinates jump or show large error, move to an open area, toggle GPS off and on, or restart the app. This forces a fresh satellite handshake. If problems persist, reboot the device or check for obstructions. Remember to log the timestamp and accuracy, radius in meters, so others understand how precise your coordinates are.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.